The National State of Disaster regulations to address the country's energy crisis have finally been released. But not everyone will be spared the pain of blackouts for now. There's some relief, though, for public health facilities, as over 200 of them will be exempted from power cuts. Water infrastructure will also be exempted. This as government scrambles to reduce the impact of blackouts on businesses and other crucial sectors. Ministers briefed the media earlier today, but concerns remain about corruption. eNCA's Manqoba Mchunu reports.
2 weeks after President Cyril Ramaphosa announced a national state of disaster in response to the energy crisis, government has now gazetted the disaster management regulations.
The declaration of the national state of disaster became inevitable because of the impact of load shedding on the public, and many sectors were being affected. So as a way of trying to minimize the impact, we had to then declare. And so the regulations on the whole are there to minimize that impact.
And some relief is on the way for public facilities, including hospitals.
Looking at the kind of facilities where your high level of key emergencies have to be taken care of, referral hospitals, where major operations, ICU. So 213 of such facilities were identified jointly as the priority. Not that the rest of the more than 5,000 clinics, community health centers and hospitals are not important.
The regulations will also see the enabling of emergency procurement procedures, but with concerns over corruption, government says these will be strictly monitored.
We've tried to ensure that the use of emergency procurement is not abused. And that's why the Auditor General will do real-time auditing. But also, we've said that the accounting officers will have to report to Parliament if they've used the emergency procurement according to these regulations.
The state of disaster is expected to last for 3 months, but government says it may be extended. This as the Democratic Alliance, Solidarity and Outer head to court to have it overturned. Manqoba Mchunu, Pretoria.